Hello everyone. In this week's module, we're going to cover lighting units and illuminance levels. And the key questions we'll ask ourselves are going to be, how do you measure light levels? How do you determine how much light is needed? And then how do you figure out how to design to achieve those light levels? And we want to talk about what are the different factors to consider when you're calculating light in a room. Now, we won't hit all of these this week, but now and in the next couple weeks, that's what we're going to be considering. This slide will look familiar to you from earlier in our course and earlier in your textbook, where you learned about all of the different lamp characteristics and how they are measured. All right. Today, what we're going to focus on is illuminance. But let's back up one step and start with light output. This is also sometimes called luminous flux, and it's the rate at which a light source emits light energy as measured in lumens. All right. And we can draw an analogy between light and water by considering the supply of light in lumens equal to the supply of water in, for example, gallons per minute. All right, so you remember what lumens are. Now do you remember what illuminance is? Illuminance is defined as the amount of light that falls on a specific surface. And mathematically, it's defined as the amount of light that makes it to a surface divided by the area of that surface. So here's our analogy with water. If lumens were the gallons per minute spraying out of that hose, illuminance is going to be the water falling, all right, onto a specific surface. In this illustration, a particular table. Here we have a couple more illustrations that I found to help you understand the way these different terms interact. So let's start out on the left. We have a lamp that is emitting lumens in a luminous flux. All right, those lumens are traveling through various paths to the table. All right, the amount of light on that table, all right, is its illuminance. On the right-hand side, we see kind of a quick and dirty definition. Luminance is, by the way, going to be the same as the light intensity or the candela or the light emitted in a specific direction. Illuminance is that light that has arrived and is lighting up. In this case, it looks like a floor. So let's talk about those units. Illuminance, which is light that falls on a surface, can be measured in foot candles or lux. All right, foot candles are going to be lumens per square foot, and lux are going to be lumens per square meter. And interestingly, it is almost exactly 10 lux to 1 foot candle, so they are very easily, translated between the two different measurements. So let's try some very simple examples. What I want you to do is go ahead and pause the video, break out your pencil or your calculator, and see if you can solve these three questions. Are you ready? Last chance. Here we go. How'd you do? Check out your answers and see if you can perform this simple calculation. All right, everybody, in this video, we just covered some of the basic lighting units and dug a little bit deeper on illuminance.